literally am in my front room of my house with two very large boxes that just got delivered yesterday. Let me explain. So I would say, I think around April, May, I was at the farm harvesting tulips, having the best time ever. If you remember the videos I posted. And I decided to order more tulips for 2026. So it is currently October 2025, and I had forgotten that I ordered these tulips. I mean, I forgot, but I didn't forget, but I kind of forgot, because if you've seen my other videos, there's a few other things going on right now in my life. So tulips were not really on my radar for the last few weeks. Turns out they were on the radar for Leo Burby, which is the company that I ordered these from. It's a local company here in Ohio. They work with the people over in Holland and bring all the tulip bulbs in. So I've got tulips. That's exciting. Also terrifying, because when I ordered these, I thought that I was going to have the farm still. I mean, I still have the farm, but it's for sale, you know. So now I have this order of tulips, which is great, but I have to figure out where to put them. So I thought today would be a fun day just to do an unboxing, because when I say I forgot that I ordered them, I literally don't remember what I ordered. I looked at the packing list, and I ordered about 900 tulips. So let's go through them, see what I have. I'm excited because this is exciting to think about next year and have success. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm already planning all kinds of fun things for next year. So let's get unboxing these, see what I ordered, and see what next year is gonna look like, okay? So I'm gonna start with one box at a time. These are very large, heavy boxes. So let me remove one and we'll go from there, okay? Okay, so let's start with this one. They're literally like 50-pound boxes. All right, so I have no idea what's in this box. It looks like it's two different varieties. I've got a black crate. If you're a flower farmer, you know the black crate is where it's at. People try to purchase these crates because they are so handy for everything in a farm. So I'm super excited. I bought enough tulips, I get a crate. All right, so this looks like, no, it's multiple varieties. Okay, I believe I bought 100 of each different variety. So 8 or 9 different varieties. I think one was back ordered. I might have canceled it because, I don't know. So let's start with this one. This one is called, these are all from Holland. Okay, so this is a Darwin hybrid. It's called Light and Dreamy. So I did a variety of different kinds of tulips because I don't want to be like your average person that can go to Costco and buy just a simple tulip. So I was very specific in trying to find very unique things that you can't get in your local store. So that's where we're going for that. So this is, it is a single variety. It's pink and purple and peachy. There are pictures on the bags, but I will post a picture so you can see. So this is called Tulip Darwin Hybrid Light and Dreamy. I got 100 of those. Cool. Sounds lovely. Okay, so this bag here is 100 of Salmon Van Eyck, E-I-J-K. So this doesn't have a picture, but I will find a picture and post it. Salmon, I imagine, it's a peachy, pinky kind of color. I think I remember I was really into the peach palette when I was ordering these. So we got pinkish, now we got peach-ish. Oh yeah, that's totally the theme of this order for sure, which I'm not mad about. That's totally fine. I think that will go beautifully with what we're doing next year. This is a tulip, it's called the double early, so it's the double tulip. You're not gonna get a double tulip from the Home Depot. And it's called Lorenzo, and this is pretty. So it's like pink, peach, and yellow. So keeping with my peachy theme, that will go beautifully with those two that I just pulled out. That's actually good. Maybe I was thinking correctly. Okay, so then this bag is, oh yeah, I was smart with my little bit of a color theory here. This is a Darwin hybrid, so it's gonna be a single. I just did a double, and this is a single, and this one is called Golden Parade. So it's a yellow one. So again, pink, peach, yellow. I can already see the bouquet in my hand. It's already looking cute. Okay, so that was 400 tulip bulbs. Where they're gonna be planted, one does not know. Okay, next box. Let's see here. I'm not gonna lift it up because I don't wanna hurt my back. But I did get another crate. All right, so this bag is another 100. Double early, so it's a double tulip, and this one will be earlier, so hence the early. But it will, I'm thinking I plan things in succession. I'm hoping. It seems that way. This is a tulip double early Foxy Foxtrot. Oh, I feel like that's like a fun nickname. Can we like call someone Foxy Foxtrot? Maybe I'll call my dog that. So this is another yellow orangey. It's more airs on the more yellow side, it looks like, but it's a double. So you could do this one with that yellow single that I just did last. Okay, I was thinking. That's kind of fun. All right, so double Foxy Foxtrot. And so we're up to 500 now. We're killing it. And now, oh, you're cute. Yeah. So this is another double early. I think I did a lot of earlies because if you're in Ohio, by the time it's tulip season, everybody and their mother wants a tulip in their house. So the earlier, the better. So I front loaded early tulips because I'm the same way. I am done with winter. I want some tulips in my life. Let's go. So this is another double early. It's called Amazing Grace. And this is actually like a fuchsia pinky, which will also go with my peach salmon color palette. Put a peach with a pink, with a yellow. It's gonna be beautiful. Okay, I'm getting excited again about tulips. It's been a week or two, so it's exciting to have something to look forward to, even though it's gonna take months and months and a cold winter to get to the excitement, but it's okay. We're from Cleveland. You gotta be tough. All right, this one, the tag fell off. All right, so this is perfect. This is a single Darwin hybrid, but it's called Apricot Pride, but it's more of a pinky peach, not like a salmon peach, pinky. So staying with my theme, I have this salmon, or this is the apricot. We've got the Amazing Grace, which is pink, and then we have a salmon, and we have a yellow. So these are gonna be really freaking pretty. I was thinking. So we're up to 700 tulip bulbs. Okay. And this is the last one, which totally makes sense. You need a pop of white. So this one comes in a fancy box. Let's see. It's a Darwin hybrid. So that's also another single. So it seems like I did half doubles and half singles. And then an Ivory Floridale white. So the white will always balance your colors, your yellows, your pinks, your peaches, and add a pop of white. Add a little greenery in here, and we've got an absolutely beautiful bouquet. So I'm actually feeling pretty excited. I think there was one more, and now that I'm thinking about it, it was on back order, and I just said forget about it because I was already overwhelmed with 800 tulip bulbs. I don't think I need 900. I think 800 is just plenty. So, okay, this is good. This is overwhelming. I have to figure out where I'm going to plant these in the backyard because, as you all know, we're transitioning everything into the backyard in Solon. I can make it work. I think the next video will definitely be me planting these, but I got to get a few more bits of compost. I think I'm using the chicken coop clean out, and I got to figure out where these are actually going to go because I can't put them in my front yard because the deer population in my neighborhood is out of control. And it's no fault of their own, I know, but I'm not spending the money on these for the deer just to eat them as a snack. So we're gonna have to put them in the backyard, figure that out, and I have to plant them pretty soon. These can chill for a little bit. We got when I woke up this morning, it was 42 degrees. So we're definitely in fall. Things are transitioning. I could probably wait another couple weeks to get these planted, but I definitely want to get them in the ground so that they can get their cold freeze and go from there. So they're healthy and happy tulip for the spring. Because I think, game on, we definitely are gonna have flowers in the spring. So, all right, so that's basically it. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos, because there are going to be a lot more videos because, I don't know, just got hundreds of tulips here and a whole backyard that I need to completely redo. So I will talk to you guys later. I'm excited for spring again because this is inspiration and I can't wait to see what we make of it. So, all right, I'll talk to you